Beauty always starts with who you are. It's not about finding a prescribed beauty, but in search of our own uniqueness. Nature has always been on our path. Nature has given us so much life. And we asked nature a few more questions. And nature answered. The life force not to change it, but to get closer to its essence and to preserve that unique life force. The moment I replace my uniqueness, it is already not beautiful. To get closer to our nature, to reach deeper into nature, the first step on the journey to discover true beauty, NBBIO Company is here to help. In the deepest nature, NBBIO Company